Good morning, everyone. Headed out Boulder Mountain today with the same guys as yesterday. Mine is Jaden. He's riding with his dad today. Had to make a quick stop already at full speed this morning because I kind of screwed up and forgot to dry my gloves last night, so we picked up a couple fresh sets here. Not really what I wanted to do, but I can't ride with wet gloves. Enough talking though, let's get up in the mountain and start riding. We're on the Polaris again today. Uh-oh. Cody's hard on Reagan. The purple princess is down. What do you got yourself there?
I don't know, it's a cruise.
Let's see how long it takes you to smash it up. Now we're on the Skidoo. A little bit of change of plans. So Cody's track on his sled is toasted. He's got to get it replaced. I made a quick last minute decision there just to let him take out the boost. But what he doesn't realize yet is I'm going to make him ride this thing for a bit today too, so I can switch back and forth between the two sleds. That's a nice little voice crack there. Those moguls are smooth now. Oh, no tracks. Wow. Sorry, I was saying, I wish we had extra gas today, but I forgot to fill the sled up when I went and picked it back up from the house. So we had to use the jerry cans to fill it. Jason has extra gas, but we'll see what happens. Probably burn a lot like this. It's kind of fun being able to blast up a trail like this that would usually just be big moguls. I'm gonna be out of gas by the time we get to the riding zone. That's a riot. Just wide open, baby. Woo! Yeah, that gave me arm pump like crazy. See if Cody wants to switch me for a minute with the Polaris. Are you excited to be on a duo or what?
I used to own one way back when.
Oh, did you? I also do have the tunnel bag on the Polaris right now, so I might not float over the bumps as nice. Oh, little powder bog. The Skidoo does breathe better in the deep snow. Have a look at this hill here, and we can see a lot of places with some natural slide activity off all the pillows. If we have a look on this hill up here, we can see a lot of avalanche activity on all the little convex rolls. So I will let Cody ride the Polaris for most of the day today, just because that's what he's used to. But we'll definitely be switching back and forth some.
Lost the whole sled. She was gone.
Stuck already. Looking like a natural though.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's deep. We're back on the do though. Trying to keep the GoPro clear today. I like the brake a lot better on the Polaris. A lot more sensitive. This one you really gotta pull it. Okay, I only got out of there because there was old tracks. the Polaris would climb up this a little bit quicker. Maybe we'll go see how Cody does getting up there with it. I just want to quickly rip this thing up this hill, see what it's like compared to the Duke. Okay, that is something the Duke does better. All over the place here. On this back? Yeah. Yeah. It's just more familiar. Yeah, I know, I get it. Okay, back down the hill, back up. Oh my god, I can't breathe. I don't know if it's because I was in old tracks on the Polaris and not the Dew, but felt a lot deeper on the Skidoo coming downhill. But see, no powder bog there. I do feel the back end of the Skidoo washing more. Man, we're gonna be out of gas so fast. Oh no. Oh, powder bog, no! Yeah, I'm definitely stuck now. All sleds powder bog at one point or another. Cannot see anything going downhill. Where is that purple princess? What are we doing here?
Little ski pole.
Little one?
Big one.
Looks like a big one.
Look up here.
That's where your track was? That's where it is now?
The sun was up here, the track was there.
Austin was just stuck in that tree behind that tree. Now he's stuck in this tree. Should we give Austin a hand before we take off? Okay, let's go uphill now. definitely tell the turbo on the Polaris does take a little longer to spool up. Oh man, that was fun. We just finished a big long pull here at the top of the hill. I think the can is pretty hot. We dropped lunch in beside the exhaust here. We'll let it cook up for maybe 5 minutes. Won't even ride, just sit here. Should be done. It's great to finally have both of my sleds up here on the mountain today so I could jump back and forth between the two of them. And if you're new here, the two sleds are the 2022 Skidoo Freeride 850 Turbo and the 2022 Polaris Khaos Boost 155. You know, I'd love to just tell you guys there's a clear winner between the two sleds. That would make my job pretty easy, but it's really a lot more complex than that. Each sled has their pros and cons and they kind of balance each other out. Like, I honestly love both snowmobiles. Some days I'm riding, I'm thinking, oh, the Skidoo would be better than the Polaris today. Oh, the Polaris would be better than the Skidoo today. That might also just be the way I'm riding that day, you know, having an off day. Although I'm on the fence right now between the two sleds, by the end of the season, I will narrow it down to which sled I prefer for you guys. Purple Princess is first on the Skidoo. I think he's liking it.
Turbo, baby!
You're liking the Skidoo, aren't you?
Oh yeah, gotta love the power.
Yeah. Look at that. Come on, Jason, you can do it. Oh, look at that track poacher.
Oh boy.
How's the NA working today?
Yeah.
Look who it is finally. All right, we're gonna do a track speed test here. Unfortunately, I don't know if, oh my God, this has got 1 bar of fuel left. 68, 71, 68, 73, 69, 71, 72. 73, 74. All right, we'll go hop on the Polaris. Let's say 74 kilometers an hour at best. You took your goggles out and didn't put the panel on. This time it wasn't my fault. This was Cody's fault. Okay, we'll be back after this short commercial break. Here's the track speed on the Polaris. Honestly, it's pretty close. The Polaris is only a few kilometers an hour faster than the Dew. I'd almost say the Dew holds a more consistent track speed. Mental. That non-turbo isn't gonna make it out of here. Oh my God.
That was insane.
Cody, what's going on there?
I don't know, she chewed in on the flats.
Weird.
Alright, Austin, time for some payback. Yeah, you want a hand? Yeah. No problem, let me just...
Oh my God. Sled's already telling me I'm out of fuel. See you later, poo-poo. I can't breathe. Oh my god. It's so deep. I'm trying not to talk because I can't breathe if I do. Oh my god. I gotta clean up my mouth full of snow. Yeah. You can't move? No. Oh my god. I knew I had a bunch of ice on my mustache I was trying to clean off. I didn't even realize I had icicles hanging off of here. What you doing? Uh-oh, I'm running out of fuel. Okay, that's it. Out of fuel. .8 for the dew. And 35.3 for the Polaris. That's another epic day spent out in the mountains in the deep POW. Wish we had some more fuel because the sun kind of came out there at the end of the day as we're heading out the trail. It would have been pretty nice in that deep POW. But yeah, thanks for watching and we'll see you guys tomorrow.